Good morning, everyone. I will try to present the research material in Indonesian conference on computer and information technology with the title A New Approach for Supervising Detection. My name is Muhammad Riza Hilmi. I am here as the author. Introduction. Criminal case relate to the issues of email communication or phishing. Email are growing rapidly with the category of dangerous action in terms of theft of personal information data and to steal sensitive or confidential information such as account detail, namely username, password, and banking account. Our previous study introduced a model to detect supervising activity, example using classification or clustering model. The detection result using the classification approach can lead to a suboptimal accuracy level if a detection result ranking is needed. Scope of research, model detection supervising activity using similarity approach, analysis scope, similarity measurement using Gaussian similarity. Features used in modeling include features of timestamp, source IP address, source port address, destination IP address, destination port address, length, and protocol. Data collection of supervising activity gained by simulation process. In simulation process, each host activity recorded by network traffic capture called Wireshark. Proposed model, a new approach model was proposed for detection supervising activity by adopting the Gaussian similarity based on analyzing the network traffic header obtained from the network traffic recording process. The proposed research contribution is to develop a new detection model to detect supervising activity with a co-similarity approach based on network traffic data analysis that record the communication process of sending the email on a computer network. The proposed model consists of 3 steps. Step 1, supervising knowledge database. At this step, the model creates a knowledge base from a supervising activity pattern. Step 2, host activity extraction. At this step, host activity extracted to define the future of each host as future activity. Step 3, supervising activity detection. At this step, the host activity are measured with supervising knowledge database and obtain the similarity value to state of the host activity as supervising attack or normal activity. Research methodology, problem definition and notation. Problem statement, almost all features generated by the traffic recording system have a different number. Definition 1, network traffic T is a collection of traffic that has collection a network header, TX covering timestamp, source IP address, source port address, destination IP address, destination port address, length, and protocol. Definition 2, group activity consists of collection of network header with different activity types. Definition 3, host frequency denotes as F is the calculation of the frequency of the supervising actor obtained by calculating the average activity from source IP address to destination IP address with the count probability. Definition number 4, the duration of activity time is the average of activity from the source IP address x2 to destination IP address x3 by calculation the activity start time to the end time of the activity, so that the activity duration is of time. Definition number 5, supervising activity has a feature consisting of group activity, host frequency, and duration time activity. Definition number 6, similarity threshold denoted as is the use to state that two supervising activity are similarity. Similarity measure. Basically, the quotient metric is method measure the similarity between the two variables x and y. So in number formula number 4, where the inner product is symbolized by dot, written in formula number 5, where x calculated based on the vector x, written in formula number 6, and y calculate based on the vector y in, written in the formula number 7. Based on formula number 4, the measurement of the similarity between two supervising activity, written in the formula number 8. Result and discussion. The data collection process is obtained by recording the host activity in the network and simulation supervising attack, and attack scenario begin with the attacker activity that identified the host log 4 information on its host activity and analyze its host vulnerability on the network. Then the attacker determines the target and send a URL. The data normalization process was carried out the measure in the supervising activity detection process with a similarity approach from the traffic record that were successfully analyzed as a supervising activity pattern on the knowledge page. In the study, we experiment and tested the proposed model by entering testing data in network traffic to detect supervising activity. The detection process of supervising activity with a similarity model begin with a data cleansing process that aim to standardize rating, deleting duplicate data, and deleting traffic record that have no value. From the result of the data cleansing process, the proposed model performed the header selection process. After selection the network header, the model then grouped the activity based on the network header, namely the source IP address, protocol, source port address, and length. From the result of grouping the activity group, the model then performed the feature extraction process, which consists of the activity group, the host frequency, and the duration time activity. From the similarity measurement process, the proposed model get the lowest similarity and the highest similarity. From testing network traffic data, the proposed model find two IP source IP address with activity group X2, which have similarity with the knowledge database of spare pacing activity pattern. Conclusion: in this paper, we propose a spare pacing activity detection model with the Gaussian similarity measurement approach. The study aims to detect host activity with similarity activity pattern to spare pacing activity by analyzing activity pattern based on activity group, frequency, and activity duration of each host suspect of the being to perpetrator of spare pacing activity. The results show the proposed model can detect spare pacing activity. This value indicate that the proposed model has good performance and can detect spare pacing activity by analyzing network traffic on the network. Okay, thank you for being given the opportunity to present our research. Hopefully this research can be useful. Thank you.